Hi guys and welcome back sa ating channel at sa video na ito, pag-uusapan naman natin ang tungkol sa Philippine Coast Guard. So meron kasi ako nabasa na article tungkol sa Philippine Coast Guard na magtatayo na sila ng bagong academy nila. So i-share ko sa inyo ang article na yan. So for a quick intro, ang Philippine Coast Guard is part ng uniformed service dito sa Philippines kung saan sila ang nag-aalaga sa ating mga bodies of water. So ang ginagawa nila doon is nag-enforce sila ng mga batas sa ating katubigan and nilook out din ng Philippine Coast Guard ang ating mga maritime environment. So kung nakikita nyo sa mga news, sa mga balita, sa YouTube, pagka mayroong mga search and rescue, so Philippine Coast Guard yan. Tapos kung mayroong mga concern sa ating maritime environment, Philippine Coast Guard ang ini-interview ng ating mga media. So bago natin simulan tong video na ito, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, is please subscribe sa ating channel para mas marami pang maabot ang ating channel at para na rin maging updated ka sa mga bagong labas natin na videos. So without further ado, let's start.
I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength.
Hi guys! First time my friend!
Hanapin mo yung RPC-1 to picture.
So for introduction, tinignan ko sa Wikipedia ang ibig sabihin ng Philippine Coast Guard at ito ang lumabas. So the Philippine Coast Guard or PCG, the Tanod Baybayin ng Pilipinas, is recognized as the third armed uniformed service of the country attached to the Philippines Department of Transportation. Tulad nga na sinabi ko sa inyo kanina. Tasked primarily with enforcing laws with Philippine waters, conducting maritime security operations, safeguarding life and property at sea, and protecting marine environment and resources. So yun. So yun ang ginagawa ng ating Philippine Coast Guard. Similar to Coast Guard units around the world. In case of a declaration of war, the Coast Guard shall also serve as an attached service of the Department of National Defense. So kung may gera, ang Coast Guard daw ay magsaserve as an attached service of the Department of National Defense. Okay? It currently maintains a presence throughout the archipelago with 13 Coast Guard districts, 54 Coast Guard stations, and over 190 Coast Guard substations from Basco, Batanes to Bongao, Tawi-Tawi. So di ba, mula sa pinakataas hanggang sa pinakababa, from Basco, Batanes hanggang Bongao, Tawi-Tawi, merong Philippine Coast Guard yan. So yan. So proceed na tayo doon sa article na sinasabi ko sa inyo. So ito na nga yung article from the Manila Times na may title, PCG School to Rise in Albay. At ang nagsulat nito is si Miss Rides B. Barcia. So si Miss Rides. So ang sabi dito, Legazpi City, the first Philippine Coast Guard Academy will be constructed on the iconic and historical island of Cagraray in Bacacay, Albay this year. Former ACO Bicol representative and now Executive Director Alfredo Garbin said. So ang Philippine Coast Guard Academy daw ay co-construct o bubuuin sa iconic and historical island of Cagraray in Bacacay, Albay. So check nga natin kung saan yung Bacacay, Albay. So ayan, nandito ang Bacacay, Albay dito. Parang dulo na siya dito sa Bicol. Ayan o, nakikita nyo ba yung may to, nakapin. So ito yung Bacacay, Albay. So naka-face siya sa sa Dagat Pasipiko o sa Pacific Ocean. So strategic siya. So tingin ko itong Philippine Coast Guard Academy, syempre, pag meron silang mga practical exercises, talagang malapit lang sa kanila o nandyan na yung nandyan na agad yung Pacific Ocean. Kung gusto nilang ito lang sila. Bacacay Island. So tingnan natin. So ito yung Bacacay Island. So yan, diyan sila. Diyan papatayo ang Philippine Coast Guard Academy. So, to continue, Garbin said a staggering 2.2 billion budget will be spent for the project. 2.2 billion, which will be established over 56.7 hectares of land in Barangay Masibis. So, napakalaki, no? 56.7 hectares of land in Barangay Masibis. Gano'n ba kalaki yung 56.7? Search nga natin. So, sa tingin ko para siyang SM Mall of... Yun! So kung ang MOA is 67 hectares, ang Philippine Coast Guard Academy will be 56.7 hectares. So lamang lang ng 10 hectares ang SM Mall of Asia. So ganun kalaki yung magiging area para sa Philippine Coast Guard Academy. Ang galing. He said that the Academy has an initial budget of 200 million pesos allocated for 2023 under the General Appropriation Act or GAA. Garbin said that the budget cost estimate for the PCG Academy is 2,218,737,500 pesos. So 2.2 billion nga talaga. So ito, sabi niya, there is an initial 200 million pesos allocated for the 2023 GAA, but 2.2 billion pesos is needed for its completion. The construction will start this year as soon as the bidding process begins. Okay. So kapag nag-start yung bidding process begins, magsisimula na rin yung construction. So Garbin said that the amount is part of the GAA of 2023 approved under the leadership of Speaker Ferdinand Martin Romualdez and Appropriation Chairman Zaldico of Ako Bicol, as well as the active cooperation of Bakakay Mayor Dinky Romano. Recently, Garbin met with the Philippine Coast Guard Flag Officers Rear Admiral Nelson Torre, a native of Cagraray Island, Bakakay Town, and Commodore Joven Fabul from Buhi Town in Camarines Sur, joined Romano to discuss the project. Okay. So nag-usap-usap na yung mga nag-usap-usap na yung mga high-ranking officers ng Philippine Coast Guard. The Academy, said Garbin, needs to recruit 4,000 candidates, Coast Guard officers and DAN officers. Ang dami. 4,000 candidates. Needs to recruit 4,000 candidates. Dami. So, tingin ko, kung gagawin nilang, kung 1,000, kunyari, gagawin nilang 4 years yung training ng Philippine Coast Guard Academy. So, 1,000 cadets per class. So, ang dami, no? So, pero di pa natin alam kung paano yung structure na magiging academy. So, di pa tayo pwede mag-speculate. So, basta ang nakalagay dito, the Academy, said Garbin, needs to recruit 4,000 candidates, Coast Guard officers and DAN officers. Okay? Torre, Deputy Commander of the Maritime Security Law Enforcement Command, told the Manila Times that the site where the Academy will be established is a perfect one, as it is situated within the Pacific Ocean where the recruits and Coast Guard will be trained in turbulent seas. Yun. Sabi ko sa inyo, nakaharap siya sa Pacific Ocean. Kaya kapag, sabi dito, kapag yung recruits and Coast Guard will be trained in turbulent seas. So, turbulent, talagang hindi siya stable. Kumbaga sa amin, sa pagiging piloto, pag sabihin, lakas ng turbulence, ibig sabihin, magiging unstable. So, ganun din sa Philippine Coast Guard. Sabi nila, during their training, dun daw sila mag-aano sa mga turbulent seas. Yan. To continue, the Coast Guard should be resilient and they need to train in the turbulent sea for them to be well-rounded as government responders, he said. Yan. Torre also said that the site is peaceful with a good access road and a large land area and easy access to the airport and seaports. Wow! Galing! Cagraray Island was connected to the mainland a few years ago after the Tulay ng Pangulo project of former President and now Pampanga Representative Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. The bridge connects Cagraray Island through Sula Channel to the Albay mainland. Okay. So, yun ang article ni Miss Rides B. Barcia from the Manila Times. So, final message ko dito, sana matuloy na itong Philippine Coast Guard Academy na construction, no? So, medyo matatagalan to in terms of yung construction nila. Hindi naman 1 buwan, 2 buwan lang to. Pero at least masisimulan na nila. Pag nagkataon, meron na tayong Philippine Coast Guard Academy. Tapos, syempre, meron tayong Philippine Military Academy, may Philippine National Police Academy, tapos meron na rin tayong Philippine Coast Guard Academy, tapos meron tayong Philippine Merchant Marine Academy. So sa mga kabataan na nanonood ng ating channel, kung gusto nyo maging member ng Philippine Coast Guard, syempre abangan nyo itong Philippine Coast Guard Academy. So kung idol nyo yung mga Philippine Coast Guard na nakikita nyo sa YouTube, sa mga balita, ito na, ginagawa na ang Future Academy na pwede nyong pasukan. And sa members ng Philippine Coast Guard, congrats po sa inyo lahat. And sana matuloy na itong Philippine Coast Guard Academy. And ingat kayo palagi. So kung naging informative ang video natin, please do subscribe to our channel para mas marami pang maabot ang ating channel, lalo na sa mga kabataan na naghahangat na maging members ng ating uniform service and syempre makapasa sa mga college entrance exams. So yun lamang po sa ngayon, ingat lahat and stay inspired.